Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Ring Home Security, complete guide step by step clearly. To set up your Ring Home Security system, first, unbox all components carefully. Begin by connecting the Ring base station to a power outlet using the included adapter. Next, download the Ring app from the App Store or Google Play Store on your smartphone. Create a new account or log in if you already have one. Once logged in, tap on the Set up a device button in the app. Select Security Devices when prompted to choose your device type. Now, scan the QR code found on the base station or enter the serial number manually. Continue by choosing your Wi-Fi network from the list of available connections. Enter your Wi-Fi password to connect the base station to your home network. Wait for the app to confirm the connection is successful. Once connected, position your base station in a central location for optimal coverage. Next, it's time to set up sensors around your home. Decide where you want to place the contact sensors on doors and windows. Peel off the adhesive backing and firmly attach each sensor in the chosen positions. Ensure that the sensors align properly for optimum performance. For the motion detectors, place them in areas where you want to monitor movement. Install the motion detectors high on walls to enhance sensor effectiveness. Return to the Ring app and add each sensor by selecting Set up Device again. Follow the prompts to confirm each sensor is connected to your base station. After all sensors are set up, review their status in the app. Adjust any settings if necessary, such as motion sensitivity or alert preferences. Next, enhance your security by configuring zones in the app for better coverage. Consider setting up user access for other household members. This allows them to monitor the system from their devices. Lastly, test your entire system to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. Trigger the sensors to confirm that notifications are received on your phone. Once satisfied with the setup, you are now ready to enjoy better home security with your Ring system. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.